Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing how to use iMovie backgrounds. Okay, this is the project that I'm working on and you'll find an option here called backgrounds and you'll find various options to it. So let me add a basic one here. I'm adding it to the front of the clip. So you can see a couple of colors here. So when I click on the clip and click on this option here, I can see the colors used on the background. And I can also customize the first color to red and the second one to anything that I want, say green. So you can do that, and you can add a text box, or you can add titles on the background. Now there is this other way as well to use a background. When I drag and drop this on the clip over here, now when I click this option here, I can use this as a picture in picture. So I can use this as a box, and I can place it anywhere in the clip. I can also use the split screen option to use the background on one side and the video clip on the other side. So these are the two ways in which you can use the background on an iMovie. Well, in my projects, I really find them useful. So I hope you learned how to use backgrounds on iMovie. Thank you.